Okay, so today we wanted to do a DIY toddler bed. This is one that I've been wanting to do for a while for our little 2-year-old, for you. And it's one that I saw on Pinterest. Oh, thank you, buddy. It's one that I saw on Pinterest, and I'm just really excited to finally be doing it. Basically, we were gonna do it at Christmas, and then we got sick, so we didn't. And then I'm expecting any day now, and so we were putting it off, and finally I'm just like, he's not coming, let's just make it. So yeah, let's do it. That's gonna be your bed, yeah. Do you think that'll be a good bed?
Right there.
You're gonna be a big boy and sleep with Anya and Trevlin. Okay, Trevlin, you wanna go put that up in the camera to show what we're gonna make? So I found this idea on Pinterest, and I just really liked a lot of the elements for this bed, so I think we're pretty much gonna try to just match this and just measure it out for our space. So I have a crib mattress, and then we'll just wanna measure out the height and stuff.
Pull it, Trevor. What? This is my old mattress bed. Oh, thanks, Kaden. Kaden's pushing me. Thanks.
We have his gray just fitted sheet that we're gonna do.
I'll hold this side, and you hold that side. 4 feet 4 inches this way. 7 inches.
And then the biggest thing we changed was the height, just because right here, I wanted to make sure that the height fit underneath our pictures and our windows. Yeah, something like 45 is probably the peak. 33. On the picture, it looked like it was quite a bit higher, but I also kind of liked the idea that it's lower. It's a little cozier, a little more tent-like.
Okay, we're here. Yes, I still have the hammer.
Cool.
Yeah, I love the hammer. Trouble. Pick a color. We can't get the gold. Sorry. It's too high. We could get a purple. Hi. Hi. All right, we arrived home.
The railings go horizontal, which I just like the look of that a little bit more. The verticals feel a little more like jail or something to me. So I like the horizontal.
Press the trigger.
You show me your bed. We went with the natural wood. I really, really like the natural wood. The plan is that we are going to take this outside and varathane it just with like a spray varathane clear coat at some point. But the week that we were making it, it wasn't warm enough outside to do that. So it will be just a little bit of screws to undo some screws, take it outside, and then we'll spray varathane it. So if he does, I feel like this is kind of wise just as a toddler, if he does end up like coloring on it or something, it's a little bit easier to clean. A lot of stuff I got from IKEA, and which makes it easier because I could actually compare in store. I'm always hesitant because I'm so picky with colors. So I'm really hesitant to like buy online sometimes just because you don't know 100% the color. Because it's a little bit hard to like picture it and visualize it all in your mind. So when it was all there, it was just really easy to match. And then I knew I was getting something I really liked. We started with picking out the bedspread first at IKEA. Is that gonna be your bed? I knew we were doing blue and gray because that was kind of their bedroom. I guess I started with the comforter. I found a comforter I really liked. Just a dark blue. I think will contrast in the room really nice. I ended up going for a regular, a twin comforter set because I was just finding that even though this is a crib mattress, there's not near as much selection as far as crib comforters, and I just feel like they didn't have more patterns and colors I didn't really like. So I went more with the twin comforter set. I figured he could grow into it then in terms of a bigger bed, but it just means that there's a little more tucking in specifically at the bottom, but it's fine, it works. And then I found a really nice throw that I liked the contrast. I could compare right there. This lighter blue throw, I really was happy with the texture with his, mommy's coming over, with his pillows. And then these pillows I got a while ago, and I just thought I liked how they fit in there. And then he has his little puppy pillow, Grandma Lamb.
Show me the puppy pillow, Kaden.
I'd like to get a few more pillows to put around eventually, but it's hard to find small kids pillows. Like everything's 16 by 18 and it just feels way too big. I liked the peak going that way. Some of them went out from the side and up, but in this case I want to hang curtains and make it a little bit more like a tent. So I'm super excited to see how this works. So these curtains are gonna hang one on each side. Either side of the peak can kind of make a little tent. Did you like that? Where'd you go? Where's Keaton? And then we got lights that we're gonna hang like that. These string lights were just off Amazon. That's definitely not the go to sleep mode, that's for sure. Okay, so we are getting very, very close to having it finished. Mostly Dallas is getting close to having it finished. Oh, he's been sanding away. The rails aren't quite there, but they're really close. And so we're gonna go get the kids and see the reaction of the first initial. I have the bed set up and everything, so I'm gonna get the initial reaction.
You just can't wait.
I can't wait, yeah.
Can't wait till it's done to show me.
So I'm gonna get the initial reaction without the rails, and then we'll just screw on the rails in the bedroom. So we're gonna go get them. Let's go see what they think. You come see your bed, right there. Go see it. What do you think? Is that your bed? So now the trick is gonna be just the transition of him. We were originally planning on transitioning him around Christmas time, but then we all ended up sick, and so I ended up getting pushed closer, and I am due any day now, and so I'm not sure if I want to try to transition him on top of having a newborn. My biggest thing is that whether or not he's gonna stay in the bed if he doesn't have to. So we'll see in the next few months. I think I might try it with naps first and see whether or not I can get him to actually stay. Because if he's climbing out too much, it will be a problem, and we'll have to wait. But hopefully we'll be able to transition him soon, and he will stay in his bed. His brother and sister are very excited to have them in the same room. We had a little bit of tears last night because there was expectation that as soon as it was done, he was going to be sleeping there with them. But hopefully soon. Hopefully soon. If you're curious about how much wood we used or dimensions or those kind of things, I will put that in the description below, and I'll also put links if there's some stuff that's available for you to find as far as IKEA or Amazon or any of that. I will put those links below as well.